We're continuing our sight reading work. Last time we talked about key signatures and how we can use the key signature to find our starting note. This is a flat, and that flat tells us that that note is fa. So this line right there and this line right there says that that note is fa. If that's fa, we count from here, fa, down one note to mi, and we count, in this case we're counting up. We counted down there because the flat was above the note we were going to, the note we were starting on. In this case the flat is below that note, so we're counting up. When we count down, we go down in the scale. When we count up, we go up in the scale. So fa, so, la, ti, do, re, mi. So we found out that it's mi for both. That's great. We're starting on the same note. And if we look through the rest of this melody, we can see that, oh, well, they're all doing the same thing. In this case, the melody for the treble clef and the bass clef is the same one. So let's go through and look at each of these notes. Mi, re, mi, fa, so, 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 fa, mi, re, mi, re, do. We're just moving up the scale when the notes move up on the staff, and we're moving down the scale when the notes move down on the staff. So our do is right here, do, and let's sing do, re, mi, fa, so, because those are the 5 notes that this melody includes. Do, sing with me, do, re, mi, fa, so. Let's do it again, and remember, as notes go higher, you're going to need more air and more space, or else the note will fall flat. Ready? And sing. Do, re, mi, fa, so. One more time, deep breath, lots of space. Do, re, mi, fa, so. Those are all the notes we use in this. All we're going to do now is take those notes and sing them in the pattern and rhythm that the melody gives us. Starts on mi. Ready? Breathe and sing. Mi, re, mi, fa, so, 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 fa, mi, re, do. Let's repeat. Mi, re, mi, fa, so, 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 fa, mi, re, do. The next one is in the same key that we were just in. We can tell that because we can look at the key signature right here and see that it is the same key signature. It's one flat, just like it was before, and that flat is in the same space, just like it was before. What this means is that do will be in the same spot. This was our do before, and we can look, it starts on do right here. So because do is in the same spot on the same note, it's going to sound the same. Do you still have do in your head from before? Sing it. Do. And then we can confirm on the piano. Do. Now looking through here, again, we're moving by step. We're starting on do. We go re, mi, re, do, re, mi. Then the second part, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, So we're going to sing this one and see if, without having heard it, without having chanted it or counted it or written it in, if you can follow along and sing the right notes. Listen one more time to do. Do. Ready? Breathe. Go. Do, ra, mi, ra, do, ra, mi, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, fa, sol. How'd you do? Hopefully pretty well. Now we're going to read both lines. We're going to start here on me. Then we're going to go to here. Then we're going to go back here to just practice moving along in the page. From here to here and then back to here. It's very important that if you're reading the treble staff up here, when you go down here, you're also reading the treble staff. And if you're reading the bass staff here, when you go down here, you're also reading the bass staff. Don't make the mistake that a lot of people do when they're starting, which is to read from here to here, or from here to here. If you're on treble, you stay on treble. If you're on bass, you stay on bass. And I'll go ahead and write a little note here so you remember that that's where we're coming over. We're not going to sing this part. Okay, let's do it together. Top line for number 5, and then number 7, and then back to 5. Mi. 1, 2, breathe, sing. Mi, re, mi, fa, sol, 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 fa, mi, re, do. Next line. Do, re, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, fa, sol, top, mi, re, mi, fa, sol, 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 fa, mi, re, do. And that gives you some practice moving from one line to the next line and making sure you end up on the right staff when you get there.